how to view upcoming HelloFresh deliveries. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to see when your next HelloFresh boxes will arrive, well here is how to view your upcoming deliveries in the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on My Deliveries at the bottom to see your scheduled boxes. And in that section, you can simply scroll through your upcoming deliveries with dates and details. And there you can just tap on any delivery to see what's included or to make any changes. And that's it. That's how you can check HelloFresh deliveries scheduled on your mobile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.